Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can quickly and easily make these simple snowman Christmas decorations from old corks. So to make these decorations I've got some corks that I've been saving up for a while, some old pieces of dowel removed from some furniture that I found, and these little screw-in hooks. I started off by screwing these hooks into the top of each cork, roughly in the centre, and these will allow for a string to be added so that they can be hung on a Christmas tree. So now I'm using a drill bit that's the same diameter as the dowel because I want to drill a hole into each cork so that I can later add the dowel to create a nose for the snowman. I've just got the corks clamped up in the vise and I'm just slowly drilling into each one. Now I want to make the dowels look a little bit more like a carrot, so I'm going to shave the ends off. I'm going to do that with a disc sander. If you don't have a disc sander, you could just use a knife and just whittle down the ends. Then I could add some wood glue into the holes in the corks and push in the dowels. Now to add the paint, I'm using white undercoat. It's a water-based undercoat. This is just what I had. And I gave each cork 2 coats. For the nose, I'm using some orange water-based acrylic to make the nose look like a carrot. Now I just wanted to add some glitter to the heads of the snowmen. This is glitter glue. I just gave a coat of that. Now for the eyes and mouth, I'm going to be using the rubber on the end of a pencil as a little stamp, and I've got some black acrylic here, black acrylic paint, and I can just stamp on the eyes and the mouth. Now to add the string, this is jute string used in gardening. I'm just going to cut some equal lengths, and I've just roughly worked out by eye the length that I need. Now to attach the strings, I'm just going to use a simple overhand knot. And then finally I added a coat of lacquer. Again, this is water-based, a water-based lacquer. And this should help to protect the corks and make them more durable and last a bit longer. I left them to dry, and that was the decorations all done. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So that is a quick and simple way you can make free decorations for your Christmas tree, such as this one, like this snowman, just out of some old corks that would be otherwise thrown away. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. Merry Christmas, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.